So hello everyone, in this video we'll be doing another exercise, which is we have to remove duplicate items from an array and we have to ignore the case sensitivity. Basically, if the item contains any other item with a different casing as well, we have to remove that as well. So let me just go inside the Visual Studio Code and prepare an array. Let's say we have a fruits array and we have apple here, and if we have apple like this, so that will also remove, because apple and apple means the same, because we are ignoring the casing now. Mango, papaya, and also let's say mango. So we have written again. Now we can write kiwi, let's say, kiwi and kiwi again. Now what we have to do is we have to create a function that will remove duplicates from an array, and it will not check for the casing, so it will ignore the casing basically. So let's create that function. So the function is basically remove duplicate. Let me just name it remove duplicates. And first of all, what we have to do is we have to loop over inside this fruits array. There are different ways to do that. I can use for each and for each method for arrays and mapping method as well, but I'll not be doing that. I'll be using a simple for loop. So I'll not be using ESX syntax, just the simple one. Less than uh, let me just pass an array dot length, and I can increase it. Let's just create a simple item which is arr square bracket I, and we can uh, assign arr again with item dot to lowercase. So to lowercase, we are using it to ignore the casing. So we are converting the item in an array inside the array to convert it into smaller case. So everything, whether it be a capital apple or any other, it will be converted as a smaller in smaller letters, so in lower cases. So we'll be easily able to uh, match it from the array we'll be creating here. So I can create a uh, unique variable which will be storing our unique items. So I can add an if condition here, and I can find the unique dot index of, there is a method which will give us the index of any element that we'll be searching. So let me just grab the item here, and I'm checking whether if this is not inside, so it will return us the index of that element which we are searching inside the unique element array, or basically unique array. So if the item exists inside this, so it will give us the index. Otherwise, if the item we pushed will be pushing in doesn't exist inside this square bracket, so it will give us -1. So this -1 will be returned when the item is not inside this array, or basically not pushed inside this array. So at that time it will give us -1, which means we are first time pushing this item. So I'll just simply push the item inside this unique array, and that's it. Now what I can do is I can return the unique array, and that will be it. Yeah, let me just save it. And if I console log fruits, and if I console log remove duplicates and fruits, so that will give me the result. You can see it is giving me, and it has removed apple with the capital casing and kiwi as well and mango as well. Now if you want to get the casing as well, right, if you want to check the casing as well, so that you can also do. That we'll be doing later. Let's just focus on this one first. So this was it. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.